Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna do a giveaway. I figured I've been making these little journals and they're so adorable. I want to give them away. Um, so all I ask of you is to comment down below and put in your favorite Christmas show, Christmas cartoon. It could be Frosty the Snowman. It could be the claymation holiday, with Rudolph and Santa Claus is coming to town. Whichever, just post it down below of your favorite holiday cartoon or claymation of of back when. So I did wanted to share on this one that I just did. These journals are so much fun, guys. I'm having a blast putting them together. And oh, you cover that up. Okay. Um, so this is my second journal that I created. I added this cute felt um, trim that I've had in my stash forever. I believe this came from Michael's way back when, and I am finally using them up. I added it to the back and to the front. This is one signature in this, but I added more papers to this one. Um, and I put in a gold heart doily as well. I just thought it added a little something. I know I have silver beads on the end here, but sometimes you just need a little gold. It's just a little bit, and added there. this paper came from Hobby Lobby, the Fa La La. I think I got a pack of it. It was on clearance or something, and it came with 25 sheets of Fa La La. So I have a ton of that. Um, and then I added the pockets. I wanted to also provide in each box. It's going to be like one of those little box priority mail. Um, some charms that you can add, and maybe some paper clips or something, just to add to this journal. So if you're interested in winning, just comment down below with your favorite Christmas cartoon or claymation, and I will pull a winner this Wednesday. So if you're in the US, I'm sorry I can't um, ship out of the USA. Shipping costs are just crazy. And so it's just US only, 18 years or older, please. Um, and comment down below, and I will pull a winner or two winners, because you get one of each. Well, not one of each, but two winners, one journal per person. Um, and I'll pull a winner this Wednesday. I can't talk. And yeah, that's it. That's all I'm asking. You don't. I mean, I felt like I was making these, and I wanted to give it away, because they're just so much fun to make, and I'm just in the Christmas spirit of blessing somebody with some little happy mail. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.